This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click. Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech Lenses, and this video is on how to flash custom recovery on Android smartphones. Please note that most of the Android smartphones today requires unlock bootloader to flash custom recovery. Watch our video on how to unlock bootloader by clicking the I button on the top right corner or from the link given in the description of this video. Once you have successfully unlocked the bootloader of your device, follow this video. Go to Google and search for the appropriate custom recovery for your device. Mostly you will find it on XDA developer website. All the required links are given in the description of this video, you can check that out. Once you find the exact custom recovery for your device, click download. A pop-up will appear. Now change the file name to TWRP.img. You can also rename it by the other names, but in this video we will rename it to TWRP. Now select the folder location and click download. Once you have downloaded that file to ADB folder, go inside that folder and hold the shift key and right click anywhere on the blank area. You will see the open command window here option, click on it. Now boot your device into Fastboot mode and connect it with your computer. After that, type Fastboot devices to check if your device is properly attached or not. You will see some return value. After that, type Fastboot flash recovery twrp.img, where twrp.img is the name of the recovery file. After that, you will get the current location as the return type. That means you have successfully flashed the recovery file. Now you can boot your device into recovery mode by using the following two commands. First one is using hardware keys and second one is using ADB or Fastboot command. To boot the device into recovery mode, we have to first power it off and then we have to press several keys combination together. It is different for different devices, so Google it to know about what keys combination you have to press for your device. We can also boot our device into recovery mode by using ADB command. To do so, make sure you have enabled USB debugging on your phone. Now connect your phone with your PC and go to the ADB folder. Now hold the shift key and right click anywhere. You will see open command window option. Click on it. After that, type ADB devices. You will see some return value. That means you have successfully connected your phone. Now type ADB reboot recovery and hit enter. You will see the current location as the return type. That means you have successfully booted your phone into recovery mode. So this is all in this video. We hope you like it. Please do like and share this video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe us for the upcoming videos. And if you have anything to ask, please ask us in the comment section. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.